Alright, we are in Grass Valley, right by the Sierra Cinemas, and we're trying to get back to the root center. Things have changed since last we were on this road.
Things have deteriorated quickly.
Have deteriorated quickly. But
let me see, I'm trying to think.
I'd go that way. Forget going to the freeway.
I was just wondering if I should take Ridge.
Yeah, actually, I'll go that way. Okay. So we decided which route to take.
And it doesn't want to turn real well.
Well, yeah, because you're in four-wheel drive, and that's the magic of four-wheel drive. So, we go. Excuse the shaky cam.
Excuse the loud noise.
Yeah, that's actually Gans breathing. He hides it well, though. Like a constant Darth Vader hiss. Man, it looks like this should be breaking up soon. I think I said that about an hour ago.
You said that an hour
But I did say 4 o'clock. That's the witching hour, so I'm still within parameters of my prediction.
Sonia said that chain control is now down to line count. Bridge.
So here we go. We're hauling ass. Look at us go. Losing power tonight, I think, if this continues.
Let's see what we got going on up here. Oh, we have a Grass Valley mini cloud.
Yes. It's actually not too bad. I mean, as long as you stay in the ruts, you're in good shape. That's what I've noticed when the snow falls at this elevation. You don't want to get out of the ruts. That's kind of where the attraction's at. Hey, you can drop me off home?
Yeah, I think I'm going to leave my truck.
Doesn't sound like it's going to be a very good day for her. Oh yeah. Is that ring working? No,
it's
ACS. In the minivan.
Oh, look at these nice big blocks of snow out here. Iceberg warnings.
I know, right? Oh wow. Give me more power, Captain. Give me more power. He's up to you. So now we're back on Ridge Road and we're heading off to right next to the high school. To our right here. Storm that I'm concerned about.
What, the next one?
A week from now, there is a monster of a storm potentially looming our way, leaving much more moisture and colder temps.
Remember what I told you the other day about February 16th?
17th, yeah?
Today's the 17th, and here we go again. I don't know what there is that's magic with Nevada County and February 16th and 17th.
I mentioned that earlier today about because in 2001 we had that crazy storm that dropped like Kmart.
Yep.
You know, so.
Oh look. Hey.
I got
some
some
snow there, Gio.
Hey, I got some snow at my house.
And AT&T is hard at work out here.
Yes, indeed.
Ooh, look at this branch.
Well, actually, that one is about to break.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Oh, yeah, it's broken, actually.
Yeah.
It's cracked at the base.
Oh, you. Well, you're gonna take me home, so we'll go around the other way. So otherwise, you have to dodge down.
Yeah. It'll be fine.
Look at the window up here.
I know, how beautiful. Yeah, see the trees.
All those trees.
Yeah, so we are at about 2,900 feet.
Wow. Now you can do side-by-side videos now.
I no kidding, right?
This is what it looked like this morning going to work. This is what it looks like now going back to work.
Exactly. After we went to Nevada, to Grass Valley.
Yeah.
So here at 2,900 feet, this is kind of the ridge of the ridge road here, and the snow is piling up pretty good. Not too bad. I've been on this road when there's about a foot of snow and no plow in sight, and going, what the heck happened? But it's a winter wonderland out here. Ooh, really pretty. Yeah, really pretty. But cars are still moving through. Still safe enough for travel. Just not recommended if you don't have to be somewhere. I think everything tonight has been shut down, so if you have any events you're going to in Grass Valley or Nevada City, please check their websites or listen to KNCO. They typically have a closure list. I know that high schools and most schools in Nevada County were closed today, so that likely will continue to be the case tomorrow morning, because I don't think they're going to be able to clear this out. But just listen to the radio and find out. I wouldn't be surprised if we get another snow day out of this tomorrow. We won't. We'll be working. We're county slaves, you know.
The only thing that make it worse is if all of a sudden it cleared up.
Turns to ice.
Turns to
Well, that's what they've done in the past. Is where even though the snow is gone, it all gets it's cleared out, and then overnight we get these freezing temperatures, which causes basically everything you see here to turn into a sheet of ice. But if it just stays cold, we'll be okay. As long as it doesn't warm up, we'll be fine, because then the snow will remain as snow and it won't melt and then turn into ice.
The last National Weather Service warning I got texted showed the alert was through
10 p.m. tomorrow.
10 p.m. Friday night.
Yeah, and they do that because they know that there's going to be enough moisture to cause some lingering snow showers, and that means that the snow level will continue to around 2,500 feet. It's going to rise a little bit, but you won't be seeing this kind of snow, and it makes sense to cover themselves because the potential is for more snow, of course.
Right.
But though I'm fairly certain this is kind of pretty much close to the tail end of this. It didn't look that impressive on radar unless it blossomed, which
we're getting a little bit slippery.
Are we?
Just
Wow! Yay! Action! Finally, we're starting to slip. In Cascade Shores, when I was driving home or driving to work, you had to kind of slip around corners because they were, those turns are so tight. So you didn't brake; you just kind of went around.
Freeway or old road?
Freeway. Freeway's gonna be in better shape, anyways. It always is better than the roads, surface roads. Especially since we're past the hump here. We're going sideways. Nice. There's Dan doing his trick stunt driving.
Oh, yeah.
Putting a vehicle sideways. Oh, look at that's the
Freeways.
Freeways.
Not too bad.
Yeah, freeway isn't bad at all. It's just kind of. Can't see out that window very well.
Okay. We should see this freeway shortly. Oh, I think the oncoming southbound lanes are as everybody's leaving the route center.
Ah, yes, that's going to be us in just a few minutes. Getting the hell out of Dodge.
It's a tour rod.
Yes. Tour rod. Whatever that means, Dan.
I have no idea what that means. It means four-wheel drive VW.
Expensive car I could
Expensive
never
4x4.
afford.
Oh,
That's what that means.
Nice wind.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
Okay, just no big branches, please.
Yeah, we're getting assaulted now by the trees. The trees are throwing branches at us.
I remember a snowball fight.
Yeah.
Losing.
Not fair. It looks like we're inside a snow globe.
Yeah. Quick shake it.
I know, right? At least we know this vehicle can handle it.
And it's not ours.
Right? We can put this in the wall. It don't matter. Drive it like you stole it, Dan. Come on. Go faster. And there's Broad Street. Oh yeah, by the way, we're on Highway 49 now.
Yeah.
If you hadn't noticed or have figured out the geography around here.
Northbound Highway 49.
Northbound, yes. Towards Downeyville, which we won't go to.
Thank goodness.
No, we don't need to go to Downeyville, especially in a day like today. Yeah, definitely the freeways are in good condition. So if you're traveling, stay on the freeways. That's my tip of the day.
Sign up there saying no trucks, Highway 20 or Highway 80, 2080. Turning on Highway 49, off the freeway, off the 2080 junction or 2049 junction. What do we got here?
We got a man with an umbrella.
A very big umbrella.
Wow.
Or we have an umbrella with a man.
I don't know, but he's gonna fly away soon.
Almost to the root center.
Yes, this drive has been brought to you by the County of Nevada. They provided this vehicle for us to travel to Grass Valley and back.
Travel arrangements.
Yes, travel arrangements made possible by the County of Nevada. Information systems. Information General Services. Yep. And here we are, we're back. It only took us 5 extra minutes. This is normally a 10-minute drive. We're at 14, so by the time we put the sucker in the wall over there, I mean in the slot parking space, we'll be at 15 minutes or so.
Oh, it looks a lot different than when we left.
And look, that guy's got like a camera. Oh no, he's got skis. He bought cross-country skis.
I can see sunshine peeking out over here.
Wow, and it's almost 4 o'clock. Somebody was
just about nailed it.
Somebody was right. Yeah.
You know, like the dress ensemble that the
I know, right?
has.
They got it going on. They've been shoveling snow all day. Yep.
And it's still in the.
Yeah. Well, look at that. Look at the sun. That's amazing with the snow flying through. And Wow, everybody's gone. We're the only suckers left. Oh wait, Dan's still here. I mean, that's
Steve.
Steve. Hey, Steve.
So.
Wow, everybody just bailed. Yeah, I feel like a sucker. Don't you feel like you've been had?
Yeah.
We could have been home right now. But no. We had to go do our jobs.
Actually.
Yeah, park it closer.
Yeah.
Jeez.
We have another parking space over here since they stole our main car.
All right. Remember, NevadaCountyWeather.com. It does good stuff for you. Bye now. Whoa.
Whoa.
Damn. That was the worst bump of the whole trip.